Jepson Power presents the MagPro 40, 1-speed swivel base. This magnetic core drilling machine is particularly user-friendly when drilling overhead and in a vertical position thanks to our swivel base system. This allows for simple adjustment and precise positioning of the drill. With our machine you can core drill up to 40 mm with a cutting depth of 55 mm. The machine is very compact and light with only 12 kg and is equipped with a powerful 1100 watt motor. You also have the option of twist drilling up to a diameter of 13 mm. The swivel base provides 15 degrees left and right, as well as 15 mm forward and backward movement under magnetic conditions. Crank lever and cooling system are installable on both sides. The integrated quick-release shank allows for fast and easy exchanging of drills. The stroke is adjustable from 85 to 200 mm.